Hello guys, welcome. Today in this video we will learn how to run HTML pages and Visual Studio Code using the Open in Browser extension. So let's start. So I'll close this welcome page and now we will go to this extensions, and here we will search for Open in Browser, and this is it. So we will click on the second one, not the second one, this first one, and it is by TechER, and we will install this. Now it is installed, so I'll close this extensions as well as this extension, and now we'll go to these files and I'll create a new HTML file. So I'll name this index.html and hit enter. Now our HTML file is created. So now I'll click shift as well as 1, so it will show this exclamation sign. So if I hit enter, so it will create the skeleton of HTML script. Now we will write here h1 and I'll close it down, and now here we will write some text, subscribe to my channel, and now I'll control S it. Now I'll right click here, and now you will see here that we have two open in default browser and open in other browser. First I will click on this open in default browser. So Microsoft Edge is our default browser, so it open it. So I'll click OK, and it will open and show this subscribe to my channel. Now the second one is if I right click, so open in other browsers, so it will show all the browser installed on this machine, and it will show up. So this is Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox. So if I click on this Google Chrome, so it will open up Google Chrome and show this text there. So in this way we can run HTML pages and Visual Studio Code using the Open in Browser extension. So I think that's all for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.